How to use Truist financial tools for budgeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want an easy budget, well here is how to use Truist built-in tools. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, simply open the budgeting tools. So there from the dashboard you can simply select insights, a budget, spending. It may appear under planning/tools option and there make sure that your Truist accounts are included. So there you can link external accounts to see your full picture and after that you can review all your recent activity and edit categories where needed like groceries, bills, dinings, etc. So there you can set rules so future transactions auto categorize like and by that you can simply click create budget and set monthly limits by category and choose start date and there you can use the spending versus budget bars/slash graphs to see what's left in each category and you can turn on alerts when you are nearing or exceeding a limit. And with that, you can also add a goal like emergency fund, trip, or payoff and assign a monthly contribution and track your progress. And with that, you can also check spending trends by month, category, and download if needed. And there you can tweak category limits and recategorize any odd transaction to keep the budget accurate. And that's it. Building your budget and tracking it and hitting your goals right inside the Truist is very simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.